Good evening, Weather First meteorologist Gary Frank with an update on this heat. And I know we're going to be talking about it for a while, so let's buckle up for a good week of very hot temperatures. The excessive heat warning is in place. I do want to talk about what the difference between excessive heat and just normal August heat is, because there's absolutely a difference. And I know it's kind of easy just to think, well, you know, it's fine. It's August. It's no big deal. We can go out there. And some of us have no option, right? But here's just look at our yearly averages. You know, we usually get about 47 days of 90, 14 days of 95 plus, and about one or so of 100-degree readings. Well, we've already seen two, maybe a third today as we continue to crunch the numbers. 99 right now, that number may go up. It might have hit 100 here within the last few minutes. So we'll keep checking on that. But it's semantics. It feels much warmer. We'll look at our high temperatures here locally, but then, you know, as we look at our current temperatures, it's still right around 100 even in Chesterfield. And then you look at our dew points, and this is how much moisture is in the air. This is why, you know, it's, you know, so sticky outside. These numbers in the upper 70s, near 80 is just absolutely unbearable. And that means your body can't naturally cool off. It is very, very difficult to be outside. That's what makes the heat index up to 115 in some cases, close to 120 in other cases. It's incredibly hot. So over the next couple of days, we're going to continue to see very hot readings, steamy. Overnight, you know, it's just not going to change a whole lot. Excessive heat warning is now through Thursday, but I've extended our alert protocol all the way through Friday. And because I still think it's going to be pretty hot, the extreme heat and humidity, overnight lows around 80, that's the combination. I still think it's going to be 100, maybe feeling like 105 on Friday, and I know that may not fall into excessive heat criteria. It's still going to be really hot, so I've extended it just for that very reason. Why is it so humid? We have this flow that's kind of bringing in this moisture from the south. This high that's at the surface, it drives in this surface moisture, which we have. But above the surface, we have this high that's sinking air. So it keeps all of it there, and it also keeps any storms from developing, and it's just a core of very hot air. And you'll notice that above the surface, this is kind of sitting over us and kind of parks itself over us right on Wednesday into Thursday. It really doesn't change a lot, even as it moves to the south and finally weakens a little bit. The next few days are significantly hot. So Monday, 100, Tuesday, 102, 103, 103 on Thursday. Those numbers feel like they're over 110. And then Friday, it's still 100, just not quite as humid. We'll see those numbers fall heading into next weekend. It's incredibly hot and humid over the next few days.